This is one of the babies that, these are the babies that were hatched from our eggs in our backyard now they're hanging out on our roof, being hatched. And it's great to see that the babies are now living, they know they're home. The backyard on our roof, it's so awesome. Nature is so beautiful. Check it out. The babies are now living. This is their home now. The babies are now growing up. They've been hatched about 2 weeks ago. Now they're flying on their own. And they're hanging out on our roof. Beautiful nature.